Hello, and welcome to TestInvite. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a matching test, from building the test structure to configuring matching questions using both quick and detailed methods. Start by heading to the Test module from the main menu. Click the plus New Test button. Enter your test name, add a description if needed, and define your first section. Enter more sections if required. Click Save to create the test structure, and you'll be redirected to the test editor where the entered sections and the first page are created automatically. To organize your test, click Add Section to break your test into categories, and use Add Page within each section to group related questions. This makes navigation easier and keeps your content structured. Click Add Question on the right. Then select Create a Question. From the Question Type menu, choose Matching under the Objective Questions category. You have two ways to create a matching question from scratch, using the Quick Question Creation tool or the step-by-step editor. To use the Quick Question Creation tool, click the magic wand icon next to the Question Type dropdown. In the Paste Question Example window, enter your structured script. Click Validate to check the formatting, then click Apply. The system will automatically create the items and options for you. Use the true, false toggles to mark correct answers. You can also assign percentage scores to allow for partial grading. To use the step-by-step creation method, enter your prompt in the question editor. Next, add items. These are the prompts that need matching. For each item, click plus option to add answer choices. By default, options are set to private, meaning they appear only under that item. To make an option public and usable across multiple items, click on it and change its setting in the Edit panel. Click Save when your question is ready. You can enhance your matching questions using images, like matching sports to their equipment, audio clips for listening comprehension, videos or math expressions for visual or logical reasoning. Each item can include rich media, making your test more interactive. You can also set navigation and time limit options. To do so, click Test Settings. Go to the Features tab to set a global time limit for the test, and control navigation, choosing whether candidates can move freely, backward only, or in a strict order. You can also apply navigation settings at section level and time limit settings at the section and page level for more control. Once you are done with your entire test, go to the Tasks module and click the plus New Task button. Continue with the Real Usage option. Select one of the candidate type options to move forward. Fill in the task title and select a folder and use case to continue. After that, click the plus Test button above to add your test. Select the test from your library to add it to the task. Select the advanced security options you'd like to enable for this test. Choose webcam and screen recording types and enable Lockdown Browser if needed. After configuring the settings, click Save to create your task. And that's it! You've now created a matching test in TestInvite, complete with flexible setup, multimedia integration, and advanced scoring options. Thanks for watching.